Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. So in this video today, I have some neutral DIYs for you from the Dollar Tree. So let's get started, guys. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you returning subscribers, I just want to thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for supporting my channels, which, by the way, I will be linking my 3 channels down below in the description box. Can't wait to see you there. Now, this video today is also going to consist of some Dollar Tree items, but I'm also incorporating how I decided to redo some trash to treasure. So this is going to be exciting, guys. So right now I'm working on a picture frame that the Dollar Tree was selling during Mother's Day. I absolutely love this picture frame. So we're going to go ahead and use one of their peel and stick wallpaper, and we're going to cut that out and put that in the frame. I also got one of the grateful signs that usually come out during Thanksgiving. I always stockpile these things during each seasonal sale, and this one says grateful. So you're gonna absolutely love this first DIY. Then we'll move on to the next one. Now, always remember to head on over to my community tab, where there you're going to see the calendar of collaborations for June. Now, here I traced out the back side of the picture frame that holds the picture up, and we went ahead and cut a piece of that wallpaper in the size of that cardboard. Now I'm sticking it on there, okay, and then this is going to be the background piece for my picture frame. Now I'm really liking this picture frame. It is plastic, but it's not cheap, and I love the way it looks, the distressed look. So now I'm cleaning the glass, because this particular one is not plastic. This is actual glass, so be careful with it because you don't want to cut yourself. Now, I am telling you how to do this step by step. And didn't this come out absolutely beautiful, guys? And so now we have to figure out how I'm going to situate that sign. Now, I could do it at an angle. I can do it at the top of the frame. We can do it any which way that makes you happy, guys. I just happen to choose the center of the frame. And I think this is a wonderful piece to just set anywhere in your home. And it says grateful, and I am loving it. Now, don't forget, we have to figure out the points of where we're going to use the hot glue, because you don't want to put hot glue everywhere. You just want to use the contact points of where you're going to lay that wording on that frame. And so that's what I'm doing here. I'm figuring out where I'm going to put that hot glue. And then once you kind of lay it on there, really no one should be touching it. It should glue nicely because it's not glass, and it should stay there. And it's going to be beautiful, guys. All right, so I think I hit all those contact points, and didn't this piece look absolutely beautiful? Great gift idea, or just to place in an area in your home. Let's move on to the next one. Okay, so here we go with the two Trash to Treasure DIYs, which make great storage containers, even just to use beauty items. Maybe you might want to put some pads in there. Guys, the possibilities of what you can use these containers for are endless. I would use them more in my area for beauty stuff. So you decide what you want to do with yours, but we're going to use the contact paper, and we have used it in all three of these DIYs. Now I'm going to go ahead and cut out, because there's two labels on this jar, I'm going to go ahead and cut out the same two labels, just to cover the same two pieces to cover the two labels. I hope I said that right. And then we're going to go ahead and embellish the lid. And I just may go in and grab some of my BB craft accessories to go ahead and embellish this. So I'll see you when we get to that part. Now remember, we're cutting the pieces out to look like labels, and we want to cut them so that they would fit the jar. So that's really all I'm doing here. And then you want to peel that back and then go ahead and lay it on the jar. So I can just leave you the music and then come back after we're done. Now, I did find some chunky gold glitter that the Dollar Tree is carrying in their Crafter Square section. And instead of using the Mod Podge, you can go ahead and use paint. I decided to go ahead and use this color or this shade of yellow because it was already on my desk. There's really no rhyme or reason, okay? And then we're going to use that chunky glitter just to fill in that center of that lid. Give it a little bit of a glam look, guys. And I'll show you how we're going to seal this. Now, because I'm using paint, and you want to go ahead and press that glitter into the paint, so when the paint dries, the glitter is not going to move, but we still want to seal in the top. So at this moment, I may go ahead and get the Mod Podge and then just put a little bit on top just to seal that area. Okay, so the labels or the paper is already on the glass. We have to let that Mod Podge dry on top of the lid, but we are going to come back to that project, so let's move on to the next one. Now, the container may be different, but the process is still the same. We're going to be using this wallpaper to stick this all the way around. So I didn't want to just do like the label type thing. I wanted this to go as far around as possible. So we pretty much used up a lot of this. I only got left a little piece of this wallpaper, and we did 3 DIYs. I think we're doing good. Now, I know I'm going to take that lid off, and we're going to do the same process as we did with the last jar, except let's see what I'm doing here with these embellishments. Now, don't you think that that chain is absolutely gorgeous? And I'm telling you, this is all BB Craft items, and they are gorgeous. Well worth the money. And I am a BB Craft ambassador, so I think I'm going to link all their information below with the discount code. Now remember, you can use these containers because I'm making them real girly. You know, my son's not going to want to use these things, but you can store hair ties, barrettes, you can store things that you don't want seen and place them in this beautiful, gorgeous container. Wait till you see how this turns out. Okay, so we're gonna let this dry. Let's head on over to the reveal, guys. They look amazing. It's nice to go ahead and craft your stash, guys. Go in there, pick out some items, and sit down and do some DIYs to give other people some DIY inspirations. And these happen to be trash to treasure and some Dollar Tree items. And look at this. They look amazing, great gift idea, or just to place anywhere in your home. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you guys. Amen.